Hello YouTube. Today we will install a Virtualbox on ArcoLinux, then run some image on, and then we will remove it. Remove the Virtualbox from ArcoLinux. Let's install it first. Sudo pacman as Virtualbox. Yes. So it's already installed. Let's check Virtualbox. So it's here. Now we are going to run some new image on. Choose the tools, then new. Put any name here, like any name. Why not? The operation system, I'm using the Linux. Choose Linux. What we will have, choose what you have. If it's like ArcoLinux that is not here, you can choose the other. It doesn't matter. Just choose what you like. And next, give some RAM to him. Yeah, 10 will be okay. Next, here I have a 100 gigabyte already made by me, the partition for Linux, and so I will use it. If you don't have it, just create a new one. It will be okay. So the any name is here. Right click, setting, going to storage here. Choose empty, and here if you don't have this list as me, just choose a disk file from somewhere. You will find it, don't worry about. I will choose my Arco Linux and okay. So start and it will be run. Then let's remove the VirtualBox. Sudo pack man r box. Yes. So that's all. If any question, write it on a comment, and I'm waiting for your like or dislike. As you see, that's good or not. Write me what to do next, what you need. I will record